Welcome to Reviewsinsidetv. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Koblenz Professional Blender, a sleek, high-powered kitchen gadget that promises to transform the way you make smoothies, shakes, and sauces. With its 1200-watt motor, 68-ounce capacity, and impressive array of features, it's designed to meet the needs of both casual users and those serious about their blending game. But does it really live up to the hype? Let's see if this blender is the powerhouse your kitchen deserves. First off, let's talk specs. The Koblenz LKM 9406 is equipped with a 1200-watt motor that promises to give you fast, efficient blending. That's a hefty motor, especially for a countertop model in this price range. Paired with 6 stainless steel blades, this blender is designed to handle tough ingredients. Think frozen fruits, ice, or fibrous veggies with ease. But more than just raw power, this blender offers a 68-ounce capacity. So whether you're making a big batch of smoothies or prepping a sauce for a dinner party, there's plenty of space for larger quantities. It's also built for quiet operation, meaning no more loud, disruptive blending sessions that leave you scrambling to turn down the volume on your TV or radio. The Koblenz blender is equipped with 3 preset programs, one for shakes, one for milkshakes, and another for sauces. This kind of smart functionality adds convenience, especially for those who don't want to fiddle around with settings every time. Whether you're whipping up a quick breakfast smoothie, a decadent milkshake, or a savory sauce, the pre-programmed settings ensure that you get the right consistency every time. On top of that, the blender features a reversible motor, which is not something you often find in blenders in this price range. This helps to achieve a smoother blend, preventing the dreaded unblended chunks that can often ruin your creations. When it comes to user experience, this blender is designed to be user-friendly and straightforward. Setting it up is a breeze, and cleaning it is equally hassle-free. The blender comes with a self-cleaning mechanism. Just add a little water and soap, turn it on, and it does the rest. If you're someone who dreads cleanup after each use, this feature will be a real time saver. Plus, it's dishwasher safe, so you can toss the components in for a thorough clean if you prefer that route. In real-world usage, this blender excels in a number of areas. I put it to the test with a variety of ingredients. Frozen fruits for smoothies, tough greens like kale, and even some nuts for a creamy nut butter. With its powerful motor, everything was blended quickly and without any strain. The 3 blending programs are surprisingly effective in making sure the texture is spot on. No grainy or uneven bits, just smooth, creamy results. The blender does tend to be a bit on the bulky side, so if you're tight on counter space, it might take up more room than you'd like. But given its performance, that's a small trade-off. Let's break down the strengths. The motor is undeniably powerful. You'll be hard-pressed to find a countertop blender in this price range that offers the same kind of torque. The 3 preset programs are a real convenience, ensuring you don't have to spend time tweaking settings. The 68-ounce capacity is ideal for larger servings, and the reversible motor helps create smoother blends. As for the super silent operation, while it's not completely silent, it's certainly quieter than many other blenders in its class. And then there's the self-cleaning feature, which makes cleanup effortless. It's the kind of time-saving innovation that I really appreciate in a kitchen appliance. On the flip side, there are a couple of things to consider. First, the blender is pretty large, so it's not the best option if you have limited counter space or need something portable. The design, while sleek, is a bit more industrial looking, so it may not match the aesthetic of all kitchens. The noise, while quieter than some, isn't exactly silent, so if you're looking for a completely noise-free experience, this might fall short. Finally, while it handles a variety of tasks well, some users might find it less effective for very small batches, where the large capacity might not offer the best blending results unless you're making a sizable amount. When it comes to value for money, the Koblenz Professional Blender offers solid performance. At its price point, it sits in a competitive category, offering power and functionality you'd expect from higher-end models. If you're comparing it to similar blenders like the Ninja Professional or Vitamix, it holds its own, especially with that reversible motor, the quiet operation, and the included Tamper accessory. Other blenders in this price range may be more compact or have fewer features, but this one gives you a lot for your investment. Comparing this to similar products, the Ninja Professional comes to mind. It offers a similar motor wattage and price range, but the Koblenz stands out with its reversible motor and quieter operation. The Vitamix, of course, is in a different league, more expensive, but it brings more advanced features, like a fully digital interface and exceptional build quality. That being said, if you're looking for a budget-friendly, powerful blender that can handle a variety of tasks without breaking the bank, the Koblenz holds up really well. Build quality-wise, the Koblenz is built to last. The motor feels sturdy, and the materials used in the construction seem durable enough to withstand heavy use. With a 7-year warranty backing it, you get peace of mind knowing that the brand stands behind its product. There's no long-term data on this particular model yet, but based on its design and the warranty, it's clear that the brand is confident in its durability. As for customer service, the brand's reputation is generally solid, and the 7-year warranty gives me confidence that they'll be responsive in the event of any issues. While I haven't had to contact them personally, knowing that you're supported for the long haul is always a plus when buying a higher ticket item like this. In conclusion, the Koblenz Professional Blender stands out for its powerful performance, ease of use, and thoughtful design. It's a solid choice for anyone looking for a versatile blender that can handle shakes, smoothies, and sauces with ease. While it's a bit large for smaller kitchens, and it's not completely silent, the overall value it offers in terms of performance, convenience, and durability makes it a great option in its category. If you're in the market for a blender that can handle everything from smoothies to sauces without breaking the bank, the Koblenz LKM 9406 is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching. If you've already tried the Koblenz Professional Blender, or if you've got any questions, feel free to drop a comment below. And don't forget, the link to get this blender can be found in the comments box. Goodbye till next time. Keep blending, keep thriving, and always stay smooth with Reviews Inside TV.